sticky hairsprays, gels, and mousses. That's really cool. I hate stickiness. Number 4, you no longer mind when you hold small infants and their surprisingly strong little fingers won't stop pulling on your hair because, well, I'll let you finish that sentence. Number 3, a handicap parking sticker for those of us who are physically disabled comes in quite handy for closer and more convenient parking, especially around the holidays. And number 2 is really, really fun. You can always get out of an event, like, not this one, that you dread attending by saying, I don't feel well. And no one can call you out on that ever. That's a good thing. And the last one here is hands down my favorite, because I had the most fun with this one. You know that life can be short and life can be, go by fast. So you feel absolutely no guilty conscience whatsoever enjoying a big old slice or 2 of blueberry pie and an ice cream shake for dinner or any time of day whenever you feel like it.